Heavy Metal Carports has arrived to replace these two damaged side panels on my new metal carport. They installed this carport 4 months ago. First, the trim comes off. This is where they dropped off the new panels yesterday on our lawn with some protectors on top. Ready to come off. That didn't take long. Still tight here, but less tree to deal with. Here comes new panel number one. There's a few marks along the bottom here, but if they flip it around, it'll be hidden under the top structure. Now it's flipped around. Yeah. So then those marks won't be seen. Well, so much for filling the old holes. There we go. The morning dew is helpful. I need to do some wiping on the inside surface of the panel. Just a little dirt. Off comes the second panel. And overhand. Look without the side panels. Here's the third panel that also has been walked on. I guess that's just what they do. Hi, Sky. What do you think of all this excitement? Huh? Yeah. Well, we noticed the marks. How about that? A little bit of dirt in the journey. We're done.
Yes, sir.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
It's a beautiful day for this, not too hot. They've got another project in Forks. That's what this material is for here. The third piece is going away. So much better. It's clean. A few minor marks that I can wipe off if I feel like it's necessary. But what a difference. I'm glad I complained about this, and I'm really pleased that they fixed it. So the Heavy Metal Carport crew returned the next morning and replaced the two 25-foot long damaged side panels. Although they're not perfect, they are definitely better than those they had installed more than 4 months ago. I'm happy with the results. After the panels were installed, I got at my ladder, made up a bucket of water with vinegar and a little bit of dish soap mixed up, and I cleaned both sides of the panel, carefully inspecting it at the same time. Sure, there are a few scuffs and a little bit of scrapes, but nothing like before. And now they're nice and clean. It took longer than I would have liked, but now our Winnebago Travato 59KL is protected from rain, snow, and most of the elements. Couldn't be happier.